I don't like my hair. That will not help. Hi guys, this is first night at uni. Woohoo! So, ooh, what do you have at your room at uni? What do you need to have? What do you need to have at your uni roomie? That's bigger. PS3. A decent set of headphones. Towels. Phone. Laptop, obviously. Money. Glow sticks. People underestimate the power of glow sticks. Glow sticks are very powerful. Huge stack of CDs and DVDs, different ones. Photo frames with your friends. And cool photo frames. Photo frames with your family and cool photo frames. A sonic screwdriver. It is a must-have. By this I mean a book, by the way, not the actual, or maybe both, but definitely need a book. No Twilight. Washing up liquid? Oh, no. Washing powder. A hat. Bad hair days. Bed covers. Shoes. Wait, it's like this one. Something that makes you weird, and my weird thing is ski goggles. I do not ski, but I am learning. Actually, I have two weird things, and this is my second weird thing, which is a wallet. Gar. Look it up. And of course you have the usual, so plates, knife, forks, spoons, cups, plates, knives, spoons. Missed it twice. Ah! You need posters, and I have posters, but they're Harry Potter posters, and I don't really want to put them up because they're cool posters. Pajamas. You need pajamas. You need bed sheets. Don't forget bed sheets. Like, you know, the one that goes underneath the covers. Yeah, very important. I had to go out and buy some. Very stupid thing to do. Spaghetti. Everybody needs spaghetti. You need pens. Definitely need pens. Riddle. So Terry has a room at uni. The headphones are blue. The towels are blue. The rubbish bin is blue. Her shoes are blue. The background to PS3 is blue. Her bed is blue and a little bit of green, but it's mostly blue. The bowl is blue. The TARDIS keyring is also blue. Even the toothbrush is blue. So what colour are the stairs? If you said there are no stairs, wrong. Stairs in my room. Stairs in my room. They're meant to be like bookshelves to me, because I don't have any shelves in my room as of yet. Yeah, so they're supposed to be my shelves. What's that doing, man? So yeah, last thing I want to say is good luck to all my friends who are starting uni this year. Good luck to all my friends who are returning to uni. I hope you get the grades that you want. And for all the freshers out there, behave, and drink loads. Bye. And by the way, what's Sasuke's eyes?